Today for math, our goal is to count backwards. So at the end, our exit ticket, so you know that you met today's learning target, will be counting backwards from 7. Let's start with a counting warm-up. Count the shapes as they appear, and then state or say how many shapes in the model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in the model? There are 6 in the model. Your turn to count now. I need to hear you counting. How many in the model? Did she say there are 8 in the model? If you did, you are correct. Get out your cubes. Let's count cubes together. Place your cubes on your table or your carpet or wherever you're doing school with me as we count. We will also take the cubes off one at a time and count backwards. 1, so take out 1 cube. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, only 7. Now we're going to take cubes off as we count backwards. So how many cubes are in this model? 7. If I take one off, 6. So take off a cube and count backwards with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now try it by yourself. Use your cubes and count forward out loud from 0 to 7. Now take 1 cube away at a time and count backwards from 7 to 0. So I will put a blank page in it and remind you of these directions. I want to see you make a video of counting the cubes now.